Ian here from In 30 Minutes Guides, and this is a message for my fellow Gen Xers. You need to start paying attention to Social Security benefits. This will directly affect all of you. I found out about this particular issue through the AARP newsletter, and while I'm not close to being retired, I started getting the AARP newsletter maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and my wife and I joke about it. Haha, we're old now. We're getting this newspaper, but AARP is really on top of it when it comes to Social Security. Like, this is one of their big issues. They track on what's going on, and the latest newsletter has a article about this news from the Social Security trustees report, the latest one for 2023. Basically, what they're predicting is that in 10 years' time, there won't be enough available cash in the fund's reserves to pay out the full 100% benefits, and they predict that they're only going to be able to pay 77% of scheduled benefits. Now, this is a huge issue for anybody in the Gen X generation, even though we're not old enough to start tapping Social Security retirement benefits. Usually for most people, that starts around age 62 or 63 if they decide to take an early withdrawal. But in the 2030s, this will be an issue for practically all of us who are Gen Xers. Traditionally, that's people born between the years 1965 and 1980. So you need to start paying attention to this. You need to start considering what impact this may have on your retirement planning. And you need to start voting for people who are going to make sure that this program is preserved. This is something that all of us paid into during our working lives, and we should get what we were promised to pay, just like the generations before us. So this is the issue. You can find this information on the Social Security website. I also found another article besides in the AARP newsletter, and if you go to their AARP website, aarp.org. They have a special section on Social Security. NPR had a very informative article about this very same issue, and they explain why it's happening. Basically, benefits paid out by the program have exceeded money coming in since 2021, and the trust fund is now expected to be depleted by 2033. They're basically going to have to start, instead of using the reserve to pay out benefits, they're going to have to start tapping the principal, so to speak. And this is a big issue for all of us. Actually, they said that the typical 66 million Social Security recipients would see their benefits cut by 23% to 25%. So it kind of, even though the Social Security Administration says 77%, it really depends on kind of conditions that are unique to you, your age, and other factors. For more information to find out about Social Security, of course, you should check the SSA.gov website, and also AARP, as I mentioned. We also publish a book about Social Security, Social Security in 30 Minutes. Volume 1 is about retirement benefits. It's by author Emily Pogue, who worked in human services for 10 years. She really understands how Social Security benefits work, not just retirement, but also disability benefits. And we have a book about this. Go to in30minutes.com to find out more information about this guide. And also, if this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Thank you so much for watching.